In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze frame in Premiere Rush. This is a great technique to emphasize a particular moment in your video or to add dramatic effect to your storytelling. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your project in Premiere Rush and have your timeline visible. To begin, we need to identify the exact frame that you want to freeze. This is a critical step because the frame you choose will be highlighted and paused, potentially drawing significant attention from your viewers. As you navigate through your timeline, use the playhead to locate your desired frame. It may be helpful to zoom in on the timeline to home in on that specific frame, ensuring accuracy. Once you've pinpointed the frame you want to freeze, the next thing to do is split the clip precisely at that frame. This involves positioning the playhead exactly where you want the freeze to begin and using the split function. This will create a separation at that point in your timeline, making the rest of the process much smoother. Now that your frame is isolated, you need to create duplicates of this frame. You can start by cutting out a tiny segment, usually just a one-frame piece. By duplicating this frame multiple times, you effectively create multiple instances of the same image. This technique is essential because it allows you to define how long you want the freeze frame to last within your video. It offers you creative flexibility to decide the duration that best suits your narrative or the mood you're trying to set. Once you've duplicated the frame enough times, you'll notice that you've got a small segment of repeated frames in your timeline. The next thing is to make this segment as long as you need it to be for your video purpose. To do this, simply stretch or extend the duplicated frame segment. Place your cursor at the end handle of the duplicated frames, click, and drag it outward. This action will extend the duration of the freeze frame effect, giving your viewers a longer glimpse of your still image. Remember, while freezing a frame can add a lot of impact to your project, it's crucial to ensure that it aligns well with the overall flow and feel of your video. Too long a freeze might disrupt the narrative, whereas too short might not deliver the desired impact. Take some time to preview your project and adjust accordingly. And that's it. You've now learned how to effectively create a freeze frame in Premiere Rush, adding a captivating pause to your video that can enhance your storytelling. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.